If you're a veteran looking to renovate your home, a VA Renovation Loan could be the perfect solution. This loan is designed specifically for veterans, active duty service members, and eligible spouses, combining the costs of purchasing or refinancing a home with renovation expenses into a single mortgage. It's an accessible and flexible way to turn your homeownership dreams into reality. With a VA Renovation Loan, you can finance 100% of your home's purchase price and add up to $50,000 for rehabilitation or remodeling. There's no down payment required, and you can even include luxury items like pools or outdoor living areas in your renovation plans. This makes it an incredible tool for customizing your space and adding personal touches. To qualify, you'll need to meet basic eligibility criteria. This includes having a Certificate of Eligibility, which verifies your service history and confirms you're eligible for VA benefits. Veterans, active duty service members, and certain members of the National Guard or Reserves may qualify, as well as some surviving spouses under specific conditions. Here's how the loan works. The total cost of the home and renovations is bundled into a single loan with one closing and one monthly payment. Funds for renovations are dispersed in up to 3 draws, ensuring your project stays on track. You'll need a minimum credit score of 620 and a contingency reserve of at least 10% to cover unexpected costs. The loan is limited to primary residences, but it covers various property types, including single-family homes, VA-approved condos, and manufactured homes. Unlike FHA 203K loans, which require a down payment or home equity lines of credit, which depend on existing home equity, the VA Renovation Loan offers 0 down payment and 100% financing for eligible borrowers. It also allows for a broader scope of renovations, including luxury upgrades that aren't typically covered by other programs. When choosing between a VA Renovation Loan and other options, consider your eligibility, the extent of your renovation needs, and the location of your property. For veterans, this loan provides unmatched flexibility and affordability, making it one of the best choices for home improvement. If you'd like to explore this option further or get personalized advice, JVM Lending is here to help. We can guide you through the process from understanding your eligibility to finding the right loan for your needs. Let's work together to reshape your home into the space you've always envisioned. Visit jvmlending.com for more info or to talk to a VA loan specialist directly.